This 2014 Entegra Coach Anthem 42RBQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half rear bath. This 2014 Entegra Coach Anthem 42RBQ is built on a Spartan Mt master chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.